Hi guys, thanks for visiting my channel Paradise Biz. My name is Dirk. Today I'd like to introduce to you the Ivisii G2 RGB video light. Right now I have the G2 mounted on top of my camera as a key light, and it is set to 75%. I'm about 1.50 meters away from my camera. This is roughly 5 feet. And it's still bright enough, I hope, at least I hope, that you have a good image here and that you can see everything very well. Now I want to show you the same scene without the light. This is how it would look. That gives you an idea. Wait. Much better, right? But let's start from the beginning. In the box, we have a mini tripod, we have a cold shoe mount, a curious cat, we do have a USB-A to USB-C cable, a nice carrying pouch, and of course the light. It is a solid metal construction made of brushed aluminum, and it is attached to an L-shaped bracket that includes 2 more cold shoes and also 2 threads where you can attach tripods or mounts. You can rotate the light 360 degrees and you can flip the L-shaped bracket upwards. This makes it most versatile. When you try to rotate the light, it goes a bit stiff, but quite honestly, I prefer a bit stiff over too loose. To operate this light, we have 3 buttons and a very clean, clear-looking 1-inch display. The center button is for the power. On top, we have an up and down wheel to adjust the values. We have also a quick adjust in light intensity by pushing it, increasing the value from 0 to 10 for the first push, and after that in 25% increments. On the bottom we have a mode dial. It works the same way as the top wheel. Our first mode is the CCT mode, and we do have a color temperature range from 2600 all the way up to 10,000 Kelvin. The second mode is the RGB mode. On top, again, we can adjust the light intensity, and if we scroll down, we can rotate 360 and circle through all the colors that are available. On the bottom, we can change the saturation of the light. And then we have mode 3, which is the fun mode. We can choose from 9 built-in effects. And in my initial video I showed you already how the police car lights work here on the G2. It looks pretty real. With its 150 LED beats, the G2 is a very bright light. In my test, I replaced my key light and also my fill light with 2 of these G2 lights. The fill light was set to only 25% and the key light to 50%. This is how bright they are. Isn't it amazing that my key light and also my fill light have the size of a smartphone? Make no mistakes, despite its small size, you get an amazing lighting quality and color accuracy from the G2. We have a TLCI, a television lighting conformity index of 99, by 100 being the best, and a CRI, a color rendering index of 97. From all the lights that I've ever tested, these are the best values. The built-in battery is 4300 mAh, which lasts really long. But if you don't want to rely on battery power, great news, you can leave the G2 plugged in while you're using it. And with most pocket lights, you can't do that. The Ivisii G2 currently retails at $70. That makes it a very budget-friendly solution without compromising light quality or color accuracy. Yeah, Kiwi. And she loves the tripod that's supplemented. This size is what makes the G2 so special. It is your travel-friendly studio setup in the pocket. I love it. Because it is so bright, you can use it for so much more than just product images. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I will definitely respond. A free way to support my channel is to leave a like, and if you like my channel overall, please subscribe. It would mean a lot to me and it helps me to grow. Next Sunday, I'll have a new video for you. Till then, stay safe and take care. Bye for now.